Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download add-ons from my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the add-ons that I showcase in this channel. So anyways guys, let's get straight into it. As you can see here, we have to go to YouTube first so you can be able to download the add-ons. Let's go to YouTube. As you can see, here's YouTube. Click on YouTube, open the YouTube. For those who haven't seen my last video, go check it out. That's where you'll find the first link for the first add-on I showcased in this channel. If you want to try out that add-on, you have to go check out that first link. For me, I just have to go here on your videos. For you, you have to check out, if you're watching this video, just click on the profile picture to take you to my channel and you find the last video. Click on the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Bleach add-on. We are currently looking at.
Click on more. It will give you this information, the description. Scroll down, you see the download link. Before you go to download link, like the video. Please like the video guys, so I can make more videos like this for you guys. Click on more. Go to download link, click on it. It will redirect you to MediaFire. You have to wait for a few seconds for it to redirect you. As you can see, it's loading. Here's MediaFire. You can click on download. It's downloading. When it shows up that pop-up notification, click on open. As you can see, for me it is downloaded. If it doesn't work on this one, you just click on the three dots on the top corner and go to Chrome browser, then click on download there, then go to download. For those it doesn't work for them, as you can see, it's downloaded. Second thing that you need is Z-Archiver. Go to Play Store and install it. Those already have it, you can skip a few seconds ahead. For those who don't have it here, you can find it here, or you can use any file manager. Any file manager works, but me I prefer Z-Archiver. As you can see, that's the screen right there. For those who don't have it, when you click here, it will show you download. For me, I already have it. I only click open. For those who don't have it, you have to wait for it to download. After it's downloaded, it will show you open, and you click on open. It's opening the app, guys. As you can see, you go to downloads. When you go to downloads, you find it here. This is usually where you find it since you have downloaded it. You have to long click it and rename it. Remove the zip part, write MC add-on. Like that. Click on OK. It will rename it for you. Since I already have it, you don't rename phone, but for you, since it's your first time, it will rename. Click on it. Click on view. Click on view and wait for it. For me, it already shows Minecraft. For you, if you have any important any add-ons, you have to scroll down for you to find Minecraft. But for me, it's already here. Click on open. Always. Now it's loading into Minecraft. As you can see, the Mojang loading screen. To take a few seconds. When your Minecraft opens, it will show you importing started on the top. For me, since I already imported it, I can import a second one to say duplicate add-on detected. For you to say import success, when you say that, that means the add-on is inside your game. For it, that's the downloading part and installing. Nice. I'll show you how to add it into your world. Click on play. Go to create new world. Create new world. You can choose whether you want to be in survival or creative, but me, since I'm doing it in creative right now, go to resource pack, open your resource pack, activate the Shinigami no CR beta. But check to unactivate it, it's activated. Go to resource pack, activate it as well there. Here's the Shinigami no CR beta. Click on continue. Since it's in beta, to show you some files are missing, but it doesn't matter, to still work anyways, guys. As long as you click on the experiments, here you have to turn all of the experiments on. Turn experiment on anyway. Turn all of them on, guys, so the add-on can properly work in your world. Now create your world. Creating the world will take a long time since it's your first time creating a world, guys. You have to be patient for it to import the add-on inside. As you can see on the bottom right corner, it shows the add-on name, the creator's name. Once it shows that, that means the add-on is halfway importing. You have to be patient for it to finish, guys. As you can see, the add-on is done. It's imported. This is how you download and install the add-on, guys. If you want more videos, this is how you do it. For all my add-ons that I'm gonna be showcasing on this YouTube channel, you'll be using this method to download the code. I'm going to end this one here, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. With that all said, my name is RedX. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and see you guys.